One time my cousin called me a queer and I asked him what that meant and he's like, it means you're weak. So I was like, oh, okay. I thought it was a normal thing until my cousin said that queer means weak. I thought it was normal. I was actually really afraid to tell my family and friends. I didn't want to make them feel uncomfortable or look at me differently or treat me differently. I got a girlfriend and I wanted her to come over and introduce her as my girlfriend. So before I could do that, I had to tell my father. He he said he knew for a really long time and I was like, "Why wouldn't you tell me?" And he said that he wanted me to build the courage to tell him myself. So he said after I told him he was really proud of me and he didn't look at me differently because he knew right away. Our culture was like accepting of it and like a lot of people around here are Christian, so that's kind of difficult too because that's my mother was Christian. It was really hard for me to come out to her. She disowned me for a bit and stuff like that. It was pretty tough, but she came around. I'm really happy with the decision I made to come out to my family and friends because it changed my life drastically. Like now I can be myself. I don't have to feel uncomfortable around people. Like I'm me finally. One thing I would say for youth struggling with their sexuality is that they're not alone. There's always someone to talk to. Our people are accepting of gayness and I wouldn't worry about what other people think. It's just you have to be yourself because that's the only way you could truly be happy.